Hi, I'm Tony, your guide to all things Nuvera fiber internet. Today I'll walk you through what the final connection from mainline fiber to your home looks like. Once Nuvera completes the mainline construction in your alleyway or right-of-way, the connection from the mainline to your home is the next step. Known as a drop, this process involves laying the fiber line from the mainline directly to your home. Our team takes special care to ensure minimal disruption to your lawn by boring the line underground. Once the line reaches your home, a network interface device gets installed on the exterior. This acts as a bridge between the mainline and your home network. Inside, we install a fiber optic network terminal. This device is the heart of your new fiber internet connection, linking directly to the fiber in the network interface device outside. With everything in place, your home is now equipped with blazing fast fiber internet, ready to connect you to the world with unparalleled speed and reliability.